Coming.
Doors opening. Lift going up.
Sorry, I'm from London, Victoria. Mum, take your steps.
Doors closing.
Take your steps. Thank you very much. I'm coming in.
You're welcome.
You're in. I'm coming in. You're in the lift already. I was coming in from walking around from the train.
Yeah.
Here's Bridge Street now.
Bridge link.
I'm from London, Victoria.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going back now.
Doors opening.
See you later. Take your steps.
Lift going up.
You coming in?
Yeah. Doors closing.
It's 700 just going to Peterborough. 700 to go to Peterborough.
Really?
Yeah. Mum's going to meet that down under the steps of a platform. Bridge link.
Bridge link.
Boom!
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Thank you so much.
Lift going up. Doors closing.
Keep the press door button open.
Okay, Vicky. Never okay now.
Yeah, let's let Peter call door button open. You coming in, Tails?
Obviously not.
Doors closing.
No, okay. Door's closing now. Thank you very much, Stephen Ashford. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you too.
You let people in, just pressing the door button open so people get in.
Yeah.
Brilliant, thank you.
Here's Bridgeley now.
Bridge link.
Whee! You're gonna let them out first.
Doors opening.
Huh?
Thank you.
Quick! All door closed.
Closing. Doors closing.
No, go downstairs, please. No!
Doors closing.
No.
Got a whole 22 minutes to get back. I shall get to watch the boat race. It's got so big exciting, doesn't it?
Oh.
Then they race for about 9 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, let's comes up first.
No!
No!
No, come on, Boo!
Fine, wait.
I want to watch the boat race, come on, Boo!
Which says goes up first?
No one, not getting in the bottom!
Oh shit, he's coming up again.
Come on, Boo!
No.
Come on!